we're going to make awesome chicken pickle, which is my favorite. And usually if you have it at the dining table, wow. I love to make some fried rice with this chicken pickle. So today we're going to learn both of them. The chicken pickle, then chicken pickle fried rice. Namaste, salam alaikum, sat sri akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. First we're going to learn how to make the chicken pickle, then we're going to use the same chicken pickle and make egg fried rice. Chicken pickle egg fried rice. Awesome, and you will thoroughly enjoy it. I have taken the chicken pieces which I have cut into small pieces, and I have brined these chicken pieces in salt water for 6 hours. So the chicken becomes nice and wonderful and perfect for making pickles. For half a kg chicken, we're going to take 10% of each. This may be kind of looking unbelievable, but this is 50 grams of salt, this is 50 grams of chilli powder, 50 grams of ginger garlic paste, around 50 ml of vinegar. So all 10% each. Mustard seed powder and methi powder. Methi gives kind of slight flavor and it's excellent, but here we're going to take 15 grams and around 7 grams of methi powder. And in this is additional, adding little bit of crushed pepper and also little bit of garam masala and even little bit of turmeric to give. But the most important thing is the oil. So for half a kg of chicken, you're going to use around 250 ml of oil. First, we're going to cook the chicken. In this, not the entire oil, add just let's say around 20 to 30 ml of oil. In this, add these chicken pieces. And almost, I kind of removed much of the moisture possible from this. Just saute the chicken pieces. First thing what we try to do is get rid of the moisture. At the same time, the chicken pieces need to be cooked. What you can do is put the lid on and let some of the juices, the moisture come out. In between, just remove the lid and saute it. Put the lid on and let it cook perfectly. Now, the chicken pieces are getting cooked, but we want to get rid of the moisture and we want the chicken pieces to be dry. So keep the lid open and fry till the chicken gets slight brown color. Now add some more oil. We're going to leave some oil for tempering. If I added the entire oil with the raw chicken, oil will be spluttering all over. That's the reason. First, I cooked it little bit, got rid of the moisture. That's why I added the extra oil later. When the chicken pieces are slightly colored, only then add ginger garlic paste. Let this ginger garlic paste also fry in the oil. You do not want any moisture from this, so just let this cook along with the chicken pieces. Once you see much of the ginger garlic paste is nicely fried, in this we're going to add turmeric, salt. We are also going to add the vinegar. So reduce the flame little bit. Just mix this. Cook this on a very slow flame for 4-5 minutes. When you see some of the moisture is reducing, the vinegar, that is when you're going to add rest of the ingredients. The chilli powder, I'm going to add little bit of garam masala powder, very little of pepper powder, the methi powder. Be careful, always add little less, that is much better. And mustard powder. The flame is so low, just we're going to mix this. And it should start looking like a pickle. If too much of moisture is there, you're going to let it cook further. If this becomes kind of dry, you can add little more vinegar. This is perfect. Only thing you can add at this time is vinegar or little bit of lime juice. Bring it to kind of a slight gravy consistency. There are many vinegars in the market. Some smell really strong. Usually they have 5% vinegar. Even apple cider vinegar and those things you can use for making vegetable pickles. They will taste really good. Take the ones which are little mild in smell and you will get a perfect pickle. Pour rest of the oil in the pan and we're going to do a tempering. The mustard seeds, switch off the flame, and in this some curry leaf. Pour this on top of this. Pickles need that extra oil. So now you will see this entire masala will be excellent. Just look at it, much of the oil will be absorbed by it, and now this is ready to be poured into a jar and your chicken pickle is ready. Look at the pickle, it is nice with all these pieces. You can always transfer this into a jar and serve. Usually you can keep this pickle for more than 60 days. but I have never kept it more than 15 days because I just finish it off within few days. This chicken pickle is so amazing, especially if you have kids who are staying in the hostel or bachelors living somewhere else. You can make this chicken pickle and give it to them and they will thoroughly enjoy it. And you won't have to feel guilty that with anything they can always put some pickle, and this gravy sauce is also just amazing. So that will substitute as a fantastic curry. Dear friends, make this pickle, eat it, and then you will totally love it. Whenever you make the chicken pickle, get a nice transparent jar, transfer it there and leave it at the dining table, and you will see it fly off. The chicken pickle gets tastier and tastier day after day, and we're going to make awesome chicken pickle egg fried rice with this. For making this chicken egg fried rice, we're going to add some oil in the pan. In this, we're going to add some mustard seeds. We're going to add some cumin seeds. To make this little bit crunchy, I always love to add some urad dal and also chana dal. We are going to kind of get slight coloring. This crunchiness is good for my kind of fried rice. When this gets slightly done, we're going to add some chopped onion, little bit salt. Toss these onions till they are slightly sweat. We're going to drop in some eggs. With the chicken fried rice, I think 2 eggs should be good enough. Just scramble the eggs, take the chicken pickle and add in few chicken pieces. Mix these. When this mixture is scrambled, just move it on the side, add the rice. You have this fantastic, wonderful, the chicken pickle fried rice. Very, very tasty. All you have to do is add some coriander and also maybe some chopped spring onion. You have this fantastic egg chicken pickle fried rice. When this is ready, let's serve it. Once you have this wonderful fried rice, the chicken pieces, and they are in a kind of pickle form. This is what many times I love to have this in the evening or even for breakfast too. I did this so many times. Dear friends, the chicken, the pickle fried rice is ready. Some chopped coriander and spring onion. Are you still not happy? I know the trick to make you happy. All you have to do is just 2, 3, 4 pieces of chicken pickle on top, and wow, look at this. This is what is going to make you super happy. And now time to enjoy this hot. 1 piece for me, 1 piece for the fried rice. We have learnt absolutely fantastic chicken pickle and chicken pickle fried rice, and definitely I'm going to make chicken pickle biryani. No kidding. So make it, eat it, and keep saying whatever.